I'm feeling, this is my mushroom farm that I've built in my garage. And that's why, you know, my humidifier died today. And not to be sentimental about an inanimate thing, but you know, I built it during COVID, right? All this. One of my first YouTube shorts was about the DIY humidifier, and I had to throw it together on the fly today because that humidifier was broken. I'm just figuring this out now, and the whole tent's going to go down unless I can build a humidifier in like a half hour. And that's what I did. I built a humidifier in a half hour. I broke one of my mushroom statues in the fray. So I can go from a petri dish to a fruiting bag of oyster mushrooms in the grow tent in 6 weeks.